G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. Now breakfast happens to be one of the hardest meals of the day to make because all you want to do is have a coffee, have a shower, get to work or school. So today I'm going to make it super simple and easy for you. Just takes minutes to prepare, if that, and you're ready to have breakfast before you go out. So join me today as I show you how to make bacon and eggs in an air fryer. Okay, so we're going to start this off by cooking our eggs. Now there's a reason why I'm doing them separately. One, because there's two different temperatures, and B, it gives a chance for the eggs to cool down while the bacon's cooking. That way everything is ready at the same time. So into our air fryer basket, I'm going to place in 2 eggs. Now you can do 1 egg, you can do 6 eggs, it really doesn't matter. It really just comes down to the size of your air fryer and how much room you have. It is really that simple. Okay, so we're going to cook our eggs at 120 degrees Celsius or 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to cook them for exactly 14 minutes. Now if you like really hard boiled eggs, cook them for 16 minutes. But I like them slightly softer, so 14 minutes for me is perfect. But feel free to experiment if you like them even softer or harder. Okay, now our eggs are done. Now they're going to be very hot, so I wouldn't use your hands. Just use some tongs, and we're just going to place them in some cold water. Now because we cooked them slow and low, there was no need to put a hole in these eggs. So they cooked just fine and they didn't crack. So we're going to leave the eggs in that water for about 10 minutes, which is exactly what we need to now cook our delicious bacon. So into our air fryer, we're going to place in our rashers of bacon. Now you can overlap them if you choose, completely up to you, because don't forget they will shrink as they're cooking. Okay, so we're going to cook our bacon at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. So after the 10 minutes is done, our bacon will be ready and our eggs will be ready. It really is a perfect time combination. And look at our delicious bacon. Now with our bacon all done, all we have to do is just de-shell our eggs. And look just how perfectly cooked they are. Who'd ever thought you can cook eggs in an air fryer? But here it is. There's no boiling needed, nothing. Straight from the air fryer. I mean, look at that. Perfectly cooked egg. And breakfast is served. It is really that simple. But let's check the egg, make sure it's cooked properly. And just look at that. Not overdone, not underdone, it's just right. Now that really is a perfectly cooked bacon and eggs in an air fryer. It honestly cannot be any simpler and tastier. So the best thing is you throw the eggs in the air fryer, start getting ready, then you put the bacon in, finish getting ready, and by the time you're finished, breakfast is served. A nice warm bacon and egg breakfast. So by taking the easy way out by using an air fryer, it's not only super simple and easy, it tastes simply delish.